Hello, hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Siddiq, and I would like to my presentation is about what is literature. So in this presentation, I will explain three, three, three important point. So the first is the definition of literature. The second is the nature of nature or characteristic of literature. So the last is the function of literature in human life. Before discuss literature, let us about a simple question. Have you ever read a story mm, from novel or watch a drama that give us special emotion or special feeling, sometimes a story can make you happy or sad, yeah, or motivate or even change the way we see life. Those experiences are related to literature. So I want explain is about from the first is about what is literature. Literature is a form of human experience that use language as its main medium. Through literature, people people express their true feelings, imagination, experience, and ideas. Literature can describe human life, social problem, emotion, and failure. So, in literature is divided into several forms, such as purity, prose, and drama. So, from the first is purity. What is the purity? Purity is a literary work that use beautiful and meaningful language. Fourth usually express emotion, thought, and experience through word, rhythm, and imagination. So the second is prose. What is the prose? Prose include novel, short story, and essay. Prose usually use sentence and paragraph to tell story or explain idea. So the last is drama. What is drama? Drama is a literature work written to be performed by actor. Use sentence and paragraph to tell story or explain it show no but about it but about it show conflict, character, and situation through dialogue. So literature is not only about fictional story. Literature is also connected with real human experience, even though some stories are created through imagination. They often represent real problem and human feelings. For example, for a novel, a novel about friendship, it may not be a true story, but the emotion, conflict, and listen inside the story can be happen in real life. So therefore, literature can be understood as a way for human to communicate and understand life through creative language. Um, so the we will the lesson is Number two is about the nature of literature. What is the nature of literature? Uh, after we understand the meaning of literature, the nature of literature, mean the characteristic that make literature different from ordinary text. The one is, from example, is one the characteristic of literature is creative. What is creative? Um, Literature requires creativity because because written use imagination to create stories, character and situation. A writer does not only provide information but also create an artistic experience for reader. So number two is imagination. Imagination in the characteristic of literature is so important. Why? Because the element in literature writer use their imagination to create unique ideas and describe situation in interesting ways. Through imagination, ordinary experience can become meaningful literary work. So number three, characteristic is experience. So what is experience? Literature allow reader to express their feelings, opinion, and ideas. A reader may express happiness, sadness, sometimes happy, sometimes sad, sometimes angry, sometimes hope. So that is our critique through literary work. So number four is characteristic is reflection of human life. Characteristic in literature is reflection of human life. About literature reflect human experience is talk about this relationship, society, culture, truth, and human values. Because of this, reader can learn about themselves and the world around them. For example, a literary work about property can help reader understand social problem. A story about family, for example, a story about family, can teach reader about love and responsibility. Or we can see a film like Spider-Man No Way Home. He have power, but he we can say she have power or responsibility. I don't know. I forgot about that. Another important characteristic is that literature is connected with culture. Every society has its own literature that represent its tradition, belief, and history. Through literature, we can learn about different culture and understand the diversity of human lives. So we next, and from number three, is about function of literature. So literature has many important function in human life. The first function is intermittent, is literature provide enjoy for reader and audience. People read novel from or watch drama because they want to experience interesting story and emotion. However, literature is not only for entertainment, entertainment. it also provide different meaning and listen. So the second example in the function is education. Literature teaches us many things about life. Through character if and even in literary work we can learn about good values, moralism, and human behavior. For example, a story about honesty can teach reader the importance of being truthful. A story about courage can teach us about meditation and determination. So next is function. A example is number three is developing empathy. Literature help us understand other people, feelings, and experience. When we read a story from another person perspective, we can learn, we can understand, or we can learn their problem and emotion. So this make literature important because it can create more understanding between people. So number four is in function is improving language ability. So from the example is to grow up skill we must reading literature can improve vocabulary and grammar, so and communication skill. So we are student who read literary work can learn how language is used creatively. From the from the five example in function is preserving culture and history. Literature keep culture knowledge alive. Stories, film, and other work can record tradition, belief, and important event from the past. So with uh, uh, is the past. Without literature, many cultural experience might be forgotten. You know, many people can. So the last is number six is function in the, for example, is giving and inspiration. Many people get inspiration from a literature. A story about success, courage, or hope can motivate reader to face challenge in their own life. So just it my presentation. So in conclusion, my conclusion is literature is an important part of human life. Literature is a form of artistic experience that use language to communicate ideas, feelings, and experience. The nature of literature can be seen through its creativity, imagination, experience, beauty of language, and connecting with human life. So that's that is why literature remain important from the past until today. Thank you very much. I'm sorry I'm not uh, really can speak English. That is but I try to speak. Uh, Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.